Hi, welcome back to Market Conversations. Today, I want to talk about a penny stock. It is Tesoro Enterprises. Ticker symbol is TSNP. And if you guys are interested in watching that, go ahead and stick around. But before I continue, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also created a Patreon page where like-minded people can talk anything about stocks, cryptocurrency, and ways to help grow our accounts. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out my link down below. I just created another tier. It is a small group right now, which is usually good because your questions will be answered versus if you join a group of 2,000 people. There's so many people, but no questions are answered. So check it out. Tesoro Enterprises. Look at the massive volume. Last week, I got in around 93 cents, 4,000 shares. I'm planning to buy another 1,000 shares when it drops to 85 cents. We can see that it went all the way to $1.93. And this was back February 8th. And then it just started dropping for over a week. We can see that it was just 20 cents in January. So before December, no one knew about this penny stock until they came out with a press release. It was a press release and it's dated December 9th. On that day, they announced that its merger with HUMBL LLC is complete and the company is now a registered Delaware corporation. As a result of the completion of the merger, HUMBL was able to consummate November 23, 2020 agreements to raise funding through the cash sale of warrants. As these warrants are exercised, HUMBL will access up to $50 million in equity funding to be used for marketing of the HUMBL global brand, the HUMBL mobile app, and HUMBL Hub's merchant software, as well as distribution and market partnerships around the world. Shares acquired through the exercising of the warrants will not be sellable through the retail markets for a period of 1 year from the purchase dates of the warrants. Tesoro Enterprises will soon be renamed HUMBL, announced on January 25th, the launch of its new division, HUMBL Financial. The mission of HUMBL Financial is to provide customers, merchants, and institutions with simple blockchain-based financial services and partners through the HUMBL platform. There's an article on Seeking Alpha, and it's titled, Change My Mind, Why I Believe Tesoro HUMBL is the Next Big Thing in FinTech. I will just go through the short answer that he provided. So the first question is PayPal, Venmo, Square, Alipay, and Western Union can nip HUMBL in the bud. Short answer is global mobile payment space is vast. It's too early to crown a winner. HUMBL is already outpacing the incumbent in the global stage. HUMBL's product offering is technologically on a different level than the incumbent. The question number 2, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay is a crowded field. Short answer is HUMBL offers far more value-added services, embodies Web 3.0 and decentralized of finances. HUMBL is a Reddit fuel pump and dump. He states HUMBL price action does not correlate with a social media activity. Fourth one is crypto ETF is nothing new and have been denied by the SEC before. He says that was 2018 and this is 2021. Crypto is more mainstream and other countries have already approved crypto ETF. Fifth is the float is too large, 3.9 billion shares outstanding. He states HUMBL is actively reining in shares, over 1 billion shares reduction of 21% since November. But more importantly, remaining floats can be leveraged to build moats. Number 6, market cap is over $5 billion. I'm just going to read the long answer here. This thesis is very fair. 1. Is HUMBL overvalued at $5 million? At a time when Airbnb's $125 billion market cap outweighs Marriott's $42 billion and Hilton's $31 billion combined, it's difficult to assign a fair price on a disruptor. Moreover, without the audited financials, we can't apply the traditional valuation methods such as discounted cash flow, comparable PE, book value multiples. HUMBL is a disruptor. In order to value a disruptor, you need to size up the disrupted. So here we go. First, let's size up the served market and pit the competition's products offering against HUMBL's. Based solely on the 3 market segments above, HUMBL's served market is estimated to be $1.5 trillion as of 2020. This is just a subtotal. We have yet to factor in HUMBL's financials ETX products which is already generating revenue with access to billions of people all over the world. Just by sheer size of the market space, one can see that Humble's valuation of $5 billion is just the beginning. Humble offers the combined services of SoFi, Robinhood, Venmo, and Square. Therefore, its individual account should be valued higher than $1,800. But let's take a very conservative approach and say that each Humble user is valued at $500 per active user. That would require only 10 million active users to satisfy current valuation. With over 270 million migrants remitting money back to their home country, it takes 5% market penetration in just the remittance segment to meet the current valuation. With partnerships in Mexico, India, Pan-Asia, and Brazil, it's just a matter of a very short time that Humble will be transacting for billions of people around the world. With all of that said, I am very bullish on Tesoro Enterprises, which is going to be Humble. If the momentum continues, this can easily go back to $1.93, and they are successful. This stock can easily go to $10 by the end of 2021, and that's why I did not want to miss any upside, and I bought 4,000 shares at 93 cents. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the stock. Are you currently in it? Are you planning to buy? And also, please conduct your own due diligence before buying any types of securities. Thanks for watching, and do consider joining the Patreon page. We're looking for like-minded people so that we can all grow our accounts together.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.